this is nice. You guys should eat it. It's so good.
恭喜发财 and Happy Lunar New Year.
In my hands is a common Lunar New Year leftover Nian Gao. Typically with Nian Gao, you make pastry items. I'm gonna make an ox-designed bao, and I'm gonna use the Nian Gao as the filling.
Hello, I'm Shirley Wong, a self-trained bento artist and cookbook author. In this new season, we are taking on Lunar New Year with its abundance of seasonal favorites. I'm going to show you how to reimagine these leftovers and turn them from waste to wonder.
新年快乐! I want to use this Nian Gao to make a dish that's going to look as good as it tastes. And thanks to our friends from Savor, I have lots of other stuff. Just look at all this food! Savor is a tech social enterprise, and they are really passionate about reducing food wastage. Let's see what we have. We have dry ingredients like flour, we have yeast and sugars, but we also have a lot of vegetables, garlic. You can do the salad sort of a dish, but with the Lunar New Year touch to it. So let's get started. We're going to put in our dry ingredients first. And knead for another maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Could be shorter if you're really strong. I have some hojicha powder. You can of course use cocoa powder or Milo powder. This is essentially for the entire ox. Just the body and the head. I'm going to use charcoal powder for the horn and the eyes. As you can see, I actually use small amount of vegetable powder only. If you're angry at somebody, you can go like we are finally done! When I look at this, it really just makes me think of salad. And actually, there's a kind of salad that I love, and we only eat that during the Lunar New Year. It's lo hei, and people love it because it brings abundance of success and luck. And I think it's going to taste really yummy because it's going to be so crunchy with the vegetables. And it's time for our Lunar New Year lo hei huada! Let's make the popiah! Now let's pack this in the bento box together with our Nian Gao bao. And we are done! This is our Lunar New Year bento box of Nian Gao bao and our lo hei popiah. Now is the best part. I get to eat my bento. Look. I get like the Nian Gao has this really nice caramel taste. And it goes really well with the hojicha powder. I really want to try our popiah. With a balance of flavor, a bit of sour, a bit of sweet, and also a bit of crunch. My belly is filled with luck and success. Wishing you Happy Lunar New Year!